In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app and then tap at that plus and select Create a Short. After that, we'll be able to use our camera to record short video, or we can upload some from our camera roll. I'm just gonna choose that one. Then we can tap at Done, and also we can use any of these tools to improve the quality of our short, but in order to add a thumbnail, you need to tap at check mark, then next, and on that step we can choose the thumbnail for our short video. To do that, tap at that pencil icon, and then you will be able to choose any frame from that video that will be used as your thumbnail. Once you have selected one, tap at Done. That's how you can easily add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts.